In this video, I'm going to show you how to host your website on GoDaddy step by step, even if you've never done it before. If you already have your website files ready, this will help you get them live on your domain using GoDaddy hosting. We'll go through the whole process together, from signing in to uploading your files and pointing your domain correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including your domains and hosting plans. If you have web hosting set up already, you'll see it under the web hosting section. Next, under web hosting, click Manage. This will open the hosting dashboard for your specific plan. From here, you'll need to access cPanel, so click cPanel Admin. cPanel is where you manage the files and settings for your website, and it's one of the most important parts of getting your site hosted properly. Once cPanel opens, look for File Manager and click it. File Manager lets you browse and edit the files stored on your hosting account. When it opens, you'll want to locate the public_HTML folder. This folder is usually the main web directory for your website, and it's where your site files need to go if you want your website to load when someone visits your domain. Now open public HTML. Inside this folder, you can upload your website files. If your website is already built, you can click Upload and choose the files from your computer. If your website comes in a zip file, upload that zip file first and then use the Extract option to unzip everything right inside public HTML. Make sure your main homepage file, like index.html or index.php, is in the correct location, because that's the file your website will load by default. Take a moment to double check that all of your site files are in place. This is especially important if you have images, CSS files, JavaScript files, or folders that your website depends on. Everything needs to be uploaded correctly for the site to display the way it should. After your files are uploaded, the next step is to connect your domain to your hosting. Go back to your GoDaddy dashboard and open your domain section. Then go to DNS for the domain you want to use. This is where you manage the records that tell the internet where your website is hosted. Look for the A record and set it to your hosting IP address. The A record is what points your domain to the server where your website files are stored. If GoDaddy gave you a hosting IP, use that exact IP address here. Once you save the changes, your domain will begin pointing to your hosting account. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to update. In some cases, it may work in a few minutes, but in other cases, it can take longer to fully propagate across the internet. So if your website doesn't show up right away, don't worry. Give it some time and check again. Now, once everything is uploaded and the DNS is pointed correctly, visit your domain in the browser. If everything is set up properly, your website should now load from your GoDaddy hosting account. This is the final test to make sure your files are live and your domain is connected the way it should be. And that's it. You've just learned how to host your website on GoDaddy. You signed in, opened your hosting tools, uploaded your files, updated your DNS, and checked your domain live. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy walkthroughs, and leave a comment if you want help with the next step, like connecting a WordPress site or setting up email on GoDaddy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.